Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today we're gonna be taking a look at these. I think it's called Merrell or Merrell. I don't really know how you pronounce it. I've seen a lot of people wearing these as of late, and I kind of wanted to switch it up. I've been wearing a lot of Crocs, a lot of Birkenstocks as of lately, and wanted something a little bit different. So I thought these were kind of cool. Kind of looks like a Yeezy Croc type hybrid. As you can see, they're only 50 bucks. I got these from Bodega because they were the only ones that had this color, which is the cream. The actual website for this brand was actually sold out. So I went on Bodega. It was 50 bucks, $10 for shipping, so 60 all in all. I got these in an 11 because I heard they fit a little bit big, and I tried them on, and the 11 was the perfect fit. I'm usually an 11 and a half, 12 in Nike, if that helps. So opening up the box here, you will see that you are greeted with some brown paper and then the shoe. Taking a look at the shoe, I thought it was a really cool one. It has like this cream and white that's kind of going through all throughout. It says Merrell up here on top. Look around, it says their patent number right there. The bottom doesn't have much traction, it doesn't look like, but it looks like it's good enough, you know? So it's going to be something similar to like what a Croc has, or, you know, just something very basic like that. It's all that same type of EVA foam that it's made out of. And then you have a sticker here. It does have this little strap in the back, pretty similar to how a Croc has, where you can kind of put it for more support or not. It says Merrell on the back, and when you lift it up, it says your size, which is men's 11. Taking a look on the inside, you get some more branding, and that's pretty much it. I think it's a really cool shoe. I think it looks a little bit different than everything else that's out there. You definitely know it's not a foam runner. You definitely know it's not a Croc, so I think that's pretty cool. That's just something different because, I mean, if you go out now, it's fall already, so not many people are wearing slides and stuff like that. But before, it was just Yeezy slides, foam runners, Crocs. I think these are something a little bit different. Overall, the comfort, I would say, is pretty similar to Crocs. I haven't tried on the Yeezy foam runners or anything like that, but I would assume it's probably similar. They all are just pretty much just an all EVA foam, so pretty comfortable. I don't have any issues with that, and I just think they're really cool looking. Hey, but that is it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all next time.